What is going on, my future meta millionaires? To my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we're talking about meta materials, and we're also going to touch base on Hymc. They had a big announcement today. So, not really much to go over except maybe the FinTel information because we got 5 days left. That's right. Now, tomorrow is going to be the 25th. And down here looking at the calendar, guys, if George is going to be keeping up, we got the 25th, and then we got up to Thursday next week. Thursday. So would George hit us with a late Thursday news next week? So 5 trading days, not including today. So Friday to next Thursday. So I don't know, man. Real quick, I mean, Meta had a pretty good day, up 4.3%, up 8 cents for the day. Love to see it. Meta did great today. Here quick. If we go to George, man, George hasn't posted anything, but he's put a few likes on some posts. So let's go take a quick look at what George has liked. He put a like on this post yesterday about the Stellantis LG Energy solution to invest $4.1 billion in Canadian EV battery plant. And that was through Chrysler there. He also put a like here on Dadtastic's post here about some Meta chocolate. So that's pretty cool. So George is out there putting some likes on stuff. But if you go to his tweets, he hasn't done anything since March the 10th. George has kind of gone stealth mode, so not really sure. Like, I'm hoping he's getting the deal done for this dividend because we need to get this closed out. Well, I don't know if it's officially going to be hopefully closed out and we can get our, money later on this year. I think we're just at the point where we just want to know what's going on. That's where we're at. We need to know, is it sold? Do we got buyers lined up? What are we getting? What date are we getting it? How's it going to be done? Is MMTLP officially the real deal? We like to hear it directly from them. They'll probably never acknowledge it, but maybe they will. So time will tell. Taking a quick peek here at the oil prices. Oil came down today, actually. WTI crude is $111 and Brent crude is at $119. So let's go here and take a look then at the MMAT short interest, because it's actually looking pretty interesting to say the least. We could get a short squeeze rally here leading up to this dividend if the cards are played right. And I like that FinTel says 8.5 days to cover is the short interest ratio. It says the short interest percent of float is 16.35%. Look at this here, short squeeze score 91.42, ranked 89 out of 5,500 stocks. And this one's interesting. Our gamma squeeze score for Meta Materials is a 91.43, ranked 179 out of 411 stocks. That is kind of weird that there's not that many stocks on the list. Like I said, it does say beta, so they are kind of going back and forth, probably updating this, weekly or whatever they do. But down here, some pretty exciting information on the FinTel, guys. I think you're going to like to see this. Short shares that are available at this leading prime brokerage. At time recording this video, there's only 6,000 shares available. Now, I was kind of surprised to see our short borrow fee did go down. That's kind of interesting. But it does say our minimum was 6.15%, but our max was 11.32, and the current latest is 6.91. So if we go by the max, it actually did go up, but they're saying the latest is 6.91. So let's hope that people is looking to borrow or short the stock is paying the up to 11.32%. And we do not have the update because I'm here early tonight. Unless something crazy comes out, I will be back to do an update on Meta Materials, but there's not really much going on. George is in stealth mode. So if you want to see other Meta Materials stuff, go check out my previous videos. Did a live stream roller pigeon last night. I did a separate video going over a theory of another company that did a Series A preferred share. All right, so the next stock I want to talk about here is Hymc, and here we go. Oh, no, Bazinga, I don't want that. All right, so actually, let me go back here to my page because I need to go here. All right, so on my Twitter, at TerryZ247, make sure you go check it out. And I want to say, if you're watching this video, guys, I posted here on Twitter, we are all but at 26,000 subscribers. I need ads, well, earlier, it could be a little bit less now, but I need like 40 some people just to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, smash that like button, man. It helps get these videos out there to people that want to get educated on metamaterials, get educated about certain stocks that have short squeeze potential. All right. So the big post here, man, Hymc, Eric Sprott reported a 35.8% stake in Hycroft Mining. That is huge. In previous videos, if you don't know, Eric Sprott hates short sellers. He hates people shorting stocks. And he is buying this up. And not only do we need to keep in mind that AMC, Adam Aaron is in this as well. AMC has money, you know, into this play as well. So I'm super bullish on it. Will Mead here posted that Hymc, legendary gold dude, that's funny how he worded that. Eric Sprott invested $28 million in Hymc. So obviously he sees something he likes. Gold and gold stocks move today, so I would not be surprised to see Hymc launch tomorrow at price target of $3. So that did not happen. We're currently like at $1.31 right now. It did shoot up to like a 145. It just shot straight up, and then it kind of sold back off today. But we'll see what happens. I'm investing in this one pretty good. I think eventually the AMC apes will get behind it. I got in previous videos where Adam Aaron has retweeted stuff about Hymc and how, you know, the crow thing. Go check out those videos on that. So here's the actual article. Eric Sprott reported 35.8% stake in Hycroft Mining, shares acquired for investment purposes. And there you go. That is pretty much it. That's all it really says. 35.8%. So if we go here and take a look at the premium Fintel, and this here says the short interest percent of float is 92.4%. Now, I don't know how accurate that is. Like I said, this is a newly company out there. I don't even think the outstanding shares are correct. It's showing 60 million shares are outstanding. I can show you that real quick. So right here, 60.4 million shares are outstanding. But just the insiders alone, I wanted to show you, this is kind of interesting. So it says shares outstanding 60.4 million, but insider shares shows 63.5 million. So how can the insiders hold more shares than what's outstanding? That's not including institutional owners, and that's not including retail owners. So if that's true, which I'm not believing any of that's true, guys, there has to be something wrong here. Maybe something is reported wrong, which that has happened before, as you know. If we get out here and take a look at the institutional buyers, it shows down here, we got, you know, this company here, Highbridge Capital, 5.9 million, almost 6 million shares they own. Here you go. American Multi-Cinema, 23.4. That should be AMC, I believe. And they have all these shares down here listed multiple times. It's kind of confusing. I'm not going to lie how these are all listed, and they're mostly all the same numbers. But it's showing us 24 million, all these people here. So that cannot be right either. But if we go up here now, let's take a look at the short interest. All right. Short squeeze score, not really much to write home about. Gamma squeeze score showing 91.7, rank 150 out of 400 stocks. Showing short shares that are available is 1.7. Our short borrow fee is 109%. Let's go. It is really expensive to borrow or short this stock. So I would like to see this get a heavy momentum because if they get forced to cover the shorts on this one, it's expensive. And we don't have the updated Fintel from there as well. All right. What else did I want to show you guys? I think it was owners and institutional owners. I think that's what I wanted to show. Yes, right here. So I think Fintel will get this updated. It's just a matter of when. Shows Eric Sprott holding 46.8 million shares. So AMC Entertainment Holdings, 46.8 million shares. So right there, I mean, you start adding all these up, it's way more than 60 million shares. So maybe it's going to take a little bit for these to get updated. Like I said, there's no way, if that would be the case, this price would be like $1,000 a share because they're buying like 200% of the actual float. So we'll have to wait and see. But I am bullish on Hymc. It's just a matter of when. So when these dips come in, I'll pick up some shares. I just keep buying in on this one because I believe it's going to take off. Just a matter of time before the AMC apes get in there. So hope you all enjoyed today's video, and hopefully we get an update from George or Meta or something here soon about this special dividend Series A preferred share presentation. That's what we're waiting for. As we got back here, win tendy. So All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.